Uttama Alvike, a comprehensive informative Kannada handbook for animators and trainers, was released at Roshni Nilaya Meeting Hall, School of Social Works at Valencia on Tuesday, August 26th. District Commissioner M. Maheshwar Rao released the book, which is aimed to train animators and trainers to fortify better ruling process.
Pratiyondu jana, pratiyondu society, individual citizen of society, if he does not know what is the rights, what is available to him, what is the opportunities available to him, if he does not have a minimum level of learning, he does not have a minimum level of access to education, access to certain levels of health, it is impossible for him to achieve his full potential, which is finally what is the goal of any kind of good governance. That is, each individual human being shall reach to the highest potential which he is capable of, depending on circumstances. But here, what should not happen is there should not be inequity, there should be proper growth, there should be growth, social development should take place. Adra bagge aa mattadalli na baruvaga good governance finally we can say that good governance is what will result in development bagge discussion maatadare. There are different kinds of ideas. However, one of the major aspects which we talk about is participation of citizens in its own development. How we can go up to grassroots development functions which can be done at the Gram Panchayat level should be done at that level. There should be no centralization and plus it should be done in a transparent and participative manner. Over a period of last 6 years, you have been seeing an increase in the level of participation which is taking place in Gram Panchayat level. You are looking at the kind of planning which is taken at the Gram Panchayat level, Right to Information Act, with its all troubles to administration at our level, it's still a great act because it allows people to have access to information which holds people accountable to the actions which they do.
Dr. Jacinta D'Souza, principal of the Roshni Nilaya, presided over the book releasing ceremony. Regiman Jacob, convener Social Change Management Forum, Roshni Nilaya, and Dr. Rita Naronna, coordinator of the handbook, were present on the occasion.
Tickle your taste buds with sumptuous dishes. Madhuvan's Village promises food relishers a delightful journey in taste. Experience an enchanting village ambience with cozy huts, smoke-free zone and tranquil surroundings. Village Family Restaurant is now even more inviting with added features like 4-lane concreted road right at the doorstep, ample space for car parking, more picturesque open space ideal for corporate and family parties, exceptional dining choices of Indian, Chinese, continental and ethnic delicacies. Visit Village Family Restaurant to experience a delicious blend of idyllic surroundings and mouth-watering cuisines. Madhuvan's Village, the family restaurant, Yadi, Bangalore 8, 42214-158. Come once, you're sure to remain a regular.
A family that visits the motherland from abroad on vacation usually spends time visiting the houses of relatives, some tourist spots, shrines, etc. But here's a family which spends some time with the aged people, entertaining them with their musical instruments. Dr. Gerald Abreu is a cardiologist in Texas. He's a jargon player too. His wife, Nicole, is a music teacher. That's why they taught their children to play musical instruments at a very young age. The children exhibited their talents playing violin at Little Sisters of Poor Convent at Bajodi on Tuesday, August 26th. Michael, Daniel, Kristen, Maria, Jane and Rachel were the children who entertained the aged people. There are about 80 aged people residing in the old age home who are aged between 65 to 104 years. Cecilia D'Souza is the eldest lady here, having completed 104 years of age. A total of 4 children played violin to the old inmates of the institution. They sung songs like Minute, The Bee, Bori, Perpetual Motion and Which is the Dance. The inmates praised the talents of the kids who spent some memorable and valuable moments with them.
USA entertainers all We express our grateful sentiments for all their hard work, for their nice performance with such a small tiny tots coming on the dais and giving this such a masterpiece. May the good Lord bless them all.
Ambition is the mother of success and hard work is the father of success. If at all these little children, Abreu children, that is Nicole Abreu and Jerry Abreu's children have come up to this, risen to this dizzy heights, it is because of their honest, humble hard work and imagination, intelligence and their hard work. Well, as a tribute of love and affection towards these children, Mother Superior has given us them their love and affection to them.